When the weekend hits, many of you probably just want to be outdoors, enjoying whatever nice weather you can as we look live now at the Seattle skyline. A nice Saturday, but Mike, we've got some changes headed our way.
Yes, we do, and we've already seen some of them in some spots in western Washington. Again, it's one of those days where it's a little confusing. Downtown Seattle right now, we've actually got a sunbreak going on right now, but if you take a look off towards the coast, we've got a system moving in here. We take a look at it in the big picture on the satellite, already seen some moisture starting to push in right along the northwestern tip of our viewing area. Here's what it looks like from another perspective. This is the GOES 17 satellite looking at the big picture. And yes, we've got a lot of cloud cover and a lot of moisture that will continue to move overhead. And different from a lot of storm systems, this one doesn't have clear, dry air behind it. There's actually some moisture that'll push in behind that will keep things active in the mountains for about another 36 hours. So as we take a look right now, radar is really sporadic. Again, we've got a big rain shadow that's taken place that's keeping things dry in Seattle and Everett for the time being, but we've got some showers out along the coast there. In fact, as we zoom in towards Westport, take a look at that area, we do have some showers moving in, and we can verify that. Taking a look at the camera right now, roads are wet out there, rain is falling, and it's also windy out there. We've been seeing sustained winds at about 20 to 30 miles an hour through most of the day. That said, small craft advisory in place until at least tomorrow morning. It looks like it's going to run all the way along the coast, obviously, but up towards the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and for the most part, the entire Puget Sound has got some bumpy water there as well. So yeah, keep the sailboat in port today. Winter storm warning in effect until at least Sunday at 4 p.m. above 3,000 feet. If you are planning on heading up into the passes, there will be impacts tonight. Even though we haven't seen it start quite yet, it will fire up later tonight. Winter storm watch in effect are our bookends up in the northern and the southern portion of the Cascades there. That'll be in place until Sunday as well. Gusty winds as the frontal boundary is passing through will finally start to wind down, but that's going to allow some convergence right over top of Everett and Seattle that's really going to fire up some rain and some snow up towards Stevens Pass. Here, let me show you. As we take a look at the snow levels, they're going to drop down to about 400, 500 feet on Monday. That's part of our story as well. But in the short term, we're going to be seeing snow filling into the mountains and some rain that will start to fire up. Convergence taking place, you guessed it, right over top of Everett. That's going to just drive snow up into Stevens Pass. Highway 2 is going to be a rough go tonight and tomorrow morning. Snow will stay in the central and the southern Cascades as we go overnight into Sunday there, but look at this convergence taking place from Mount Vernon all the way through Everett. It's going to be active, and we could see a rain-snow mix. We might even see a rain-snow mix in some of the foothills just towards the east of Seattle as we go overnight into Sunday. And remember how I showed you those low snow levels on Monday? Take a look at this. We could be looking at some low-level snow. This is Monday, right around 2 a.m. and it looks like it's going to stick around for a little bit. As we fast forward to about 8 a.m. we could be looking at some sound level snow. I'm not expecting it to accumulate, but it could be interesting. Taking a look as we go towards Tuesday, this thing clears out and moves out of here. So accumulated precipitation, snow and rain combined, Everett's going to clean up here. We're looking at the possibility of about 1.5 inches of precipitation. The mountains are going to do very well, and then the rest of us just going to get some light rain. We'll take it. Snowfall accumulation by the time the lifts start turning on Sunday, 30 inches at Stevens Pass. By the time they start turning on Monday morning, which is a holiday, close to 3 feet at Stevens, 27 at Snoqualmie. Baker and Crystal are going to do all right. White Pass is going to clean up as well. 2 feet of fresh pow up there just in time for the holiday weekend. 7-day forecast shows us cooling into the upper 30s tonight in Seattle. We're going to be seeing some showers and sunbreaks here on Sunday, and then we're going to be seeing that possibility of some low-level snow on Monday, cold Tuesday and Wednesday, and then kind of back to normal on Thursday.